Good morning, friends, family, whoever watching this, okay. Just came off my 3 YouTube channels and stuff like that, you know. All right, now I'm on Facebook Live, eventually on YouTube on all 3 of my channels, okay, and probably others too, okay. Yeah, the man across the street with his dog, I just spoke to him on when I was YouTubing and stuff like that. So him and his dog was just having fun, you know. So they're having fun right now, you know. Yeah, dogs are practically people too, you know. All right. All right. All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I mean, I love doing my live stream and stuff like that. Facebook, YouTube, and stuff like that. So this is definitely going on all 3 of my channels, you know. All right, look. Now, that's wonderful right there. All right, playing with his dog like around the thing. Yep. All right. All right. I was so happy to capture that, you know. So I must say, I love catching good moments, though, you know. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So, oh look. Yep. All right. Yep. So, I must say that's a good moment, you know. Just in case of future preferences and stuff like that. How people love their pets and stuff like that. To me, animals are practically people, you know. Yeah, to my knowledge, you know. Okay. Yep. So I sure I sure love doing this video. Everything else, you know. Blah 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 yakily schmackly. Blah 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 yakily. Yep. So I must say that. Oh, look like that dog was looking at me, you know. Dogs look at people, you know. They got eyes like human beings, legs like human beings, teeth like human beings, and stuff like that, you know. All right, so, all right. Oh, wait a minute, my bad. I was trying to show up there, you know. That's what I was trying to do. My bad, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. All right, so I'll probably put this on my radio channels and stuff like that. With the I guess y'all about to go inside, huh? All right. Still live streaming. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's true. Oh. Oh, dang. Wow. All right, so yeah, that's right. Okay, so all right, so good morning, friends. Thank y'all for watching and stuff like that, you know, and thanks for y'all support and no negative comments. Okay. Okay. All right, that's it for now. God bless. God keep.